Create a background layer, any color you want. Import your subject. Go to Select and Mask. Then Select and Subject. Refine edge. Use smooth. Use feather. Use contrast. Shift edge. Put -3. Then OK. Resize a bit. Write text, any text you want. Rotate it, by go to Edit, Transform, Rotate. Resize it. Duplicate layer. Adjust to behind each other. Take one image and move to above text. And assign clipping mask, by use Alt key, and click between the line. Select the below image, and click on it layer mask. Use the brush tool, paint like so. And you are done, beautiful.